Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you through the process of changing who can manage membership for a folder in the Dropbox app on your phone. If you want to control who can add or remove members from a shared folder, this video will help you adjust those settings quickly and easily. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the Files section. This will open up a list of all your saved files and folders inside your Dropbox account. Then, scroll through the list and find the folder for which you want to manage membership permissions. After finding the folder, click on the three dots next to it to open more options. Next, from the menu that appears, select Manage Access. This will show you the current list of people who have access to the folder and the permissions they hold. Then, look for the option called Who Can Manage Membership and tap on it. You will see two choices. Anyone with edit access can add new members, or only the owner can add new members. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Now you know how to control who can add or remove members in your shared Dropbox folder through the app. Thanks for watching.